guys, welcome back to my channel All That Natural. It's me Shrutika here. So recently I have uploaded couple of pictures on my Instagram with sky in my background, and you guys tend to really love it, and it makes me very happy to see that जब हम लोग बहुत मेहनत से कुछ करते हैं and you guys love it, it makes me very happy. And what, the time, the pasina and all of that sort. So yeah, in today's video I'll be showing you how to place your phone with tripod and without tripod, both of them. And after that also I'll be showing you some poses that you can easily go for to make your Instagram look kick-ass. First of all, let me make it very clear for you all that I don't have any camera with me till now. I make all my videos and click all my pictures with my phone only, either my phone or my mom's phone, and that's it. I don't have any camera. I don't know if I should be sad about it or happy about it, but yeah, I don't have. Let's get quickly started. So here you go with the first part. For the people who have tripod with them, you just need to keep it at this much of height and keep your phone in this direction. Sorry for the background noises, it's because I'm outside of my home. Need to go for timer as per your recommendation, like for 3 seconds or 5 seconds, as much you want to keep it. So you can see the exact position how I'm keeping this phone. So yeah, that's about it. Now moving on. So now talking about the people who don't have tripod at home with them, this is some sort of jugaad you can go for. I have a stool like right below there. After that I have a packet sort of thing. After that I have this basket in which I have my phone. You can see the background is completely of sky. Also, if you want to increase the height, you can add one more packet right over under the basket one, like right above this one, or you can take a bigger stool. I have took a very small one. So yeah, that's about it. So starting with the first pose, all you have to do is just cover half of the face with your hairs and just give a big bright smile, and here you go. So the second pose is for people who like half hidden face pictures. All you have to do is just cover half of your face with your hands as shown, and do not forget to smile. And that's it. Now the third pose is all about fronting your hair. So just bring all your hairs onto one side and tilt your head in that direction, and here you go. Now the fourth pose is a bit tricky, and you have to be very patient and go through thousands of trials before getting that perfect dreamy shot. You just need to keep on swinging like I'm doing, and eventually you'll get that shot. So in the last pose you also need some sunlight along with the sky, so that you're making a pose of stopping the sunlight from hitting your face, and that's about it. Now this is the final result of all the poses I have shown. Now in the next part I'll be showing you how I have edited these pictures, so definitely stay tuned for that. So guys, that was it about today's video. I hope you all liked it, and do let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. And also the part 2 of this video, like how I have edited these pictures and all of that sort, will be coming in the next video, like the part 2 one. So do stay tuned for that, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and also click on the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon, and do let me know in the comments. Thank you.